It's Nicole Washington. Welcome to my DIY vlog, and I'm going to show you how to take this fabric and turn it into this dress with custom spray paint, elastic band. Very original, so cute. All right, so this is the supply list. You're going to need fabric, scissors, spray paint, elastic, stencils, measuring tape, fabric chalk, straight pins, and a pattern. I forgot to write that there. So the first thing you're going to do is fold your fabric, because when we cut out the pattern, you want two halves that are exactly the same, because that is going to be the front and the back of your dress. So make sure that you iron and you straighten things out and they are super flat. So then you're going to take your straight pin and you're going to pin the pattern to the fabric. And then you are going to take your fabric chalk and you're going to trace around the pattern. You're going to trace around it twice because you need to trace a seam line. So that is 1/4 inch out or 1/2 inch out. And then you're going to cut. And so when you cut on the outside seam line, you're going to end up with two halves, the front and the back. And so now you're going to create the collar, and you only want to cut on the top half because you don't want a collar on the back of your dress as well. You just want a collar on the front of your dress. And so this is what it looks like. There are two halves there. So then you're going to take the elastic band and you want to measure it around your waist because you want it to fit comfortably. You don't want it to be too tight. So then I'm just going to cut the band. I got this at the dollar store, actually. And I'm just going to cut it where I measured the length around my waist. And so now you want to figure out the placement of it, where it's going to go on the dress. So you want to measure on your own body from your armpit to your waist. And then you're going to go to the dress and measure from the armpit to the waist so that you want to place the elastic band in the same place that you measured it on your own body. And so I'm going to take my fabric chalk and mark it. I'm going to put the elastic band inside of the dress because the inside of the dress is actually like the outside. See the outside there? That where you're marking it up at, that is actually going to end up being the inside of the dress. All right, so now I'm going to do the same thing with the ankle elastic. And I'm just want to like make sure that I have enough length to walk because I don't want it to be too tight. So now I'm going to measure from my hip to my, I guess it's more like my calf. And I'm going to do the same thing on the dress so that I get the placement right. So then I again put the elastic inside of the dress because it's going to be eventually on the outside. So now I have two halves and I don't turn it inside out. Just like it is, I'm going to sew on the seam line. And don't take the pins out because you want to have it lined up correctly. All right, so we're good. We're on the right track. This is what it looks like. It does not have sleeves yet. The next thing that we're going to do is make the sleeves. Your girl is very DIY here, so I'm just taking a shirt and tracing that sleeve onto my excess fabric to create a sleeve for this dress. And I'm doing this very same thing, cut it out, sew the sleeves. I kind of messed up on this sleeve a bit, but that's fine. Things can always be changed. All right, so we just want to make sure that the sleeve placement is correct. It's a little tricky, so pin it and then turn it inside out to make sure. And then the next thing we're going to do is sew the sleeves on. And then once we're done with that, we get a paint. Use your stencils and your spray paint. So fun. Don't be afraid to mess up. You can fix it. It'll all be fine. This was so fun to create. All right, you guys, before I show you the final look, please like and subscribe if you want to see more DIYs, and make sure to check the show notes. The dress has arrived. I am very excited about this situation. Let me break it down for you. Okay, so I started with just the gray fabric. It is 100% cotton jersey. And then I made myself a little pattern and I made the dress. And I specifically made the dress not too tight. Like as you can see, it's like a little bit loose around the body because I wanted to add these elastic bands, which honestly, I got these from the dollar store and I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, this neon color is so cool. And so I added the bands around the waist and just under the knee, because I wanted to use it not only as a design detail, like just for aesthetics, but also to give the dress some shape. And so then I got myself some fabric spray paint and I spray painted on the dress. I used some stencils in some parts. I even made myself a little headband, a little gray headband situation with the excess fabric. And I am really excited about her. I love this dress. I will be wearing this dress maybe even tomorrow to my friend's birthday party, but definitely in the spring, because I can put on a sneaker, or I can have my heels in the spring, you know. But I really love her. Let me know what you think. I'm excited to make my next design. Let me know if you have any ideas in the comments. And thank you for coming on this journey. It's cute. So excited. Let's do it again.